friends, as you can see right here, I've got a mess on the ground, and today we are going to be testing how fast the Eureka RapidClean Pro cordless vacuum cleaner can pick up all this dust in literally the lowest setting. So we're going to be testing that out, as well as moving back and forth to make sure that it doesn't release any of the dirt. So let's go ahead and put it on the test. And I just wanted to start by saying this vacuum was so easy to assemble. Literally took me seconds. So once it's all assembled with the floor piece on, which is what we're going to be using for this video, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, which is super easy. Literally just use this button in the back right here. All right, so I went back and forth, nothing fell out, which is awesome. So literally picked up all of that stuff in one single sweep. It's all nicely in here, so it's got a very spacious canister. Now let's go ahead and try the other attachments. So I'm literally just gonna empty this dustbin onto the floor. So once again, boom, make a mess. So it's easy to empty the dustbin, which is awesome as well. Now let's go ahead and attach a different attachment. So I'm gonna remove this right here, boom. And we're gonna take the 2-in-1 attachment right here and put the bristles up since I'm using it on carpet. Boom, you'll hear it click in place. Then turn it on right here. That's amazing. Even on the lowest setting, I was able to use the hand attachment and it picked it up so fast. So as you can see, literally no dust or anything left behind. So even in the handheld mode, it is amazing as well. So I'm excited to use this on my couches. As you can see, I've got dogs, or maybe he didn't come in the picture, but so it is very important as a dog mom to have a very powerful vacuum cleaner. So I'm super excited. I hope this is a helpful video. Thanks for watching, guys.